Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today I'll be learning how to add Gmail account on phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to add a new or old Gmail account on your phone, first open up your Gmail app. After opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon or your profile pic at the top right corner. Tap on it and this kind of panel will appear, and you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom. In my case, there is the scroll down option. Tap on add another account on this panel over here and tap on Google, and you'll be required to go through a certain verification on your side. That being done, guys, enter your email address over here with which you want to sign into your Gmail, and after typing your Gmail, guys, tap on next, and you'll be over here. Enter your password of your account, whichever may it be, and tap on the next button, and after your verification has been completed, you'll be logged in on your Gmail account on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add Gmail account on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.